In general, we have about 67 million pigs in this country, and we have about 68,000 farms. So on average, we have about 1,000 pigs per farm. They are very smart. They can separate the rest area from the dunking area. That's why they are clean. I have studied pigs for 20 years. I spent 5 years in China and 6 years in Canada and 9 years here. The goal of gestation housing actually is to control individual feed intake of the sow and also to control aggression among them. So that's why we have been using gestation stalls during the last 30 years. However, since gestation stalls restrict freedom of movement of the sow, which causes some welfare concern. At the University of Minnesota, our research really helped producers get ready for transitioning from gestation stalls to group housing. And once they use group housing system, they know how to manage sows in group housing system to maintain their productivity, efficiency, and also enhance their welfare. The fighting itself is very stressful to the sow, and fighting can also cause injuries, injure to each other. Also, fighting may result in not produce pigs, which can result in being removed from the herd. So that will shorten their longevity. Our research, we found several things that may help to reduce aggression and mixing. One thing we found was that if we separate younger sows from mature sows, that can help reduce aggression in the herd, especially to protect younger sows from being bullied by older sows. Another thing we found was management strategies during the initial period of mixing can be very effective. What we found was that by using individual feeding stalls during the mixing period, we can reduce aggression and the injuries associated with aggression in the pen, because we found that sows use those individual feeding stalls as hiding spaces to run away from aggression, especially low-ranking sows. So that way, we do not only reduce aggression in the pen, we also protected low-ranking sows in the group housing system. Happy pigs will be healthier and more productive, and producers want to produce happy, productive pigs, which is also the desire of the consumers. Consumers want to see pigs raised happily or animal welfare friendly. I think the change coming in terms of animal welfare will become more important to the swine industry.